A person remains a thief, regardless of whether they steal a valuable diamond or a simple cucumber. Relying on others leads to continuous disappointment. Avoid bargaining for fish that are still in the water. Each individual considers themselves formidable in their own domain, just like every dog sees itself as a tiger on its own street. During the initial 5 years of your son's life, treat him as royalty, for the subsequent 10 years as a subordinate, and for the rest of his life as a confidant. It is preferable to possess a flawed diamond than a flawless rock. It's wiser to engage in conflict with your in-laws than with your neighbors. When you cast a handful of stones, at least one is bound to hit its mark. The smiles you share will reciprocate. Those who miss opportunities, much like monkeys missing branches, cannot be rescued. The most severe form of poverty is to accumulate numerous debts. Actions performed at inappropriate times should be considered as if never done. Globally, wisdom may seem foolish, but for the discerning, the world appears nonsensical. When money is no longer a servant, it transforms into a master. Lending equates to acquiring troubles. Individual drops unite to form a stream, and combined ears yield a crop. Knowledge is an invaluable treasure that remains impervious to theft. Attributing your shortcomings to your nature does not alter their inherent nature. Heed the mullah's advice, but be cautious not to mimic his actions. The man unafraid of death finds that the vastness of the sea is but a fraction of what he faces. Sometimes, enduring pain is more preferable than seeking treatment. Those in poverty search for sustenance, while the wealthy seek to satisfy their appetites. Although we cannot alter the wind's course, we possess the power to adjust our sails. In the realm of love, the attainment of the seemingly impossible becomes conceivable. Whether seeking inspiration above or grappling with desperation below, it is unwise to turn to the side for information. Those who generously give find themselves possessing abundance, while those who withhold experience emptiness. A tranquil heart discovers a feast in every circumstance. Nonviolence stands as the paramount principle of life. Even in a tree deemed unclimbable, countless fruits can be found. The one who asks questions holds a superior position to the one who provides answers. A residence lacking a woman is akin to the devil's dwelling. The universe's most exquisite wonders lie in the celestial expanse above and the sense of duty within. Despite its small size, it remains prudent to confront a snake with a sizable stick. As we approach God with a single step, divine grace responds with 7 strides towards us. A reputation tarnished by trivial matters cannot be redeemed through grandiose acts of charity. Women are drawn to men boasting 2 significant attributes: substantial income and notable fame. When the bed collapses, the ground beneath becomes the inevitable resting place.